Okay, the inside of a Kubota KND3. This is the cam and the injector cam, an injector pump cam. Almost no wear after 50 years. Something. Bushings, bearings on the inside. The liner. The water cooling inside a little bit rusty. Big hole where the flywheel was and the oil pump. It's a real gear pump. A look through. And over here I've got the flywheel with the very big bearings, regulator, RPM regulator, with gear, good bearings even after 50 years, no wear, nothing. It's beefy for only a 3 maximum 4 horsepower diesel engine. And as you can see, the flywheel is big. Okay, that was it.